Alright, welcome to this video today here at Delaware Auto Sales. That's our phone number and logo there on our sign. We're doing an RV today. This is a 2006 Ford F550 with one slide out. As you can see, it's out right now. This is a really, really clean and nice motorhome. Big, huge awning here on this side. This has been very well cared for. It's very, very clean for an RV. You've even got the chairs out ready for you to relax and enjoy. Only 45,000 miles on this. Very, very low mileage. Runs and drives excellent. Everything works on this RV. The front air conditioning in the regular cab section, all of the rooftop air conditioners all the way through. Ladder here up the back. Everything works, drives fantastic. The tires are not very old at all. I will show you them here. There's a hitch here on the back. Tires can't have very many miles on them. The date code on all of them, hopefully you can hear me, the date code on all of them is 1220. All 6 tires are the same. All 6 tires are the same. They all have the same date code of 1220. So they're definitely not very old and definitely don't have very many miles on them. See right there, same date code, 1220. Got the leveling system down right now because of the slide out being open. Lots of compartments here all the way around it. Take another lap around and show you some of those. The windshield's nice and clear. Lots of lights inside. Alright, well, let's start here. So this is a storage compartment right here where actually these chairs were. So nice big compartment there. Another one here. It's amazing. It is remarkably amazing how much room is in this. Generator is over there on the other side. This is the propane tank. Water tank. The rear storage back here goes all the way through. From one side to the other, there's a ton of room back in here, and the tail. Outlet connection. Starts right up. Starts right up easily. Another compartment there. And another one right here. Alright. So, tires, awesome. All the storage compartments. Can show you the engine here in the front. It's locked right now. After we tour the inside, I will come back out and unlock that to show you that. The awning's in great shape. It rolls out pretty easily, and then it can extend upward to be longer. It's very, very nice. The body on this entire RV is in really nice shape. I mean, some of the graphics are a little faded, but the actual surface area is very, very clean, very, very nice. Take one more walk around here and then we'll go inside. It's so big, I gotta walk a little faster than when I do this with cars. We've been up on the roof. The ladder's fine on the back. Been up on the roof a couple of times. All right, so let's go inside this mobile home. Screen door, power assist steps. So when you open the door or the screen door, those open up. Stair treads are in good condition. Gonna shut the door because the air conditioning's on in here and it's nice and cool. So just zoom this out a little bit. No, we're all the way out. Couch here with storage. Got the front chairs swiveled, of course. There's the Carfax report laying on the dash. You can see that on our website, but it is a clean Carfax. I think 5 total owners. Big sunshades here. Newer LG television than what it came with when it was new. Try to cover all of the every inch here. Lots and lots of storage inside, just like outside. Easy to turn on lights everywhere. All the window treatments, the blinds and shades and things seem to be in very nice condition, no issues. Couches and the upholstery is very nice. The tile floor also. So I had this bed out to take the pictures, but of course you can see here. Let's see if I can do this. Yeah, hard to do with one hand. Okay, well, we're going to leave it like that, but you get the idea that how much room is here. This also is down right now into the bed mode, but of course cushions come up like so, and then the table raises up. Lots of storage up top here. Couple fly swatters included. Slide out works just fine, very well. Easy to operate once it's level. Just push the button and away it goes, and it nearly doubles the size. You can see so when it's in, it's right about here. You can see photos of it on our website. So I don't know what that is, probably at least 24 inches wider when it's open. Nice kitchen and very, very clean. Sink, window, built-in paper towel holder. Gotta love that. I personally go through a lot of paper towels. Trash can right here. The water tank right there. Nice deep usable drawers. of those. Oven is very clean. So is the cooktop. The cover flips over to close this. Microwave. Freezer. Refrigerator. The freezer and refrigerator are not on at this moment. This is a nice size pantry, even though it's skinny. A lot of room, a lot of depth here, and then these two slide outs here. Makes it nice. Here's the controls for the slide out and the level test water pump. Turn this off and on. Very easy to operate. Bathroom is here. This is a wardrobe, hanging bar. Again, three more drawers. Not quite sure where this cabinet door goes because there are not any missing throughout, so I feel like it may have been an extra. But 3 nice drawers, cabinet, mirrors. So let's check out the bathroom. The bathroom is surprisingly large, very nice, very clean. More storage. Hello. And the shower is very spacious, I would say. A nice skylight in here to let in some natural light. It's really a impressive bathroom for the size of this motorhome. And finally, bedroom. Lights on the sides there. More storage all up top. 2 windows. Another television. Sliding pocket door here. Kind of nice. It's really cold back here. There's a whole separate air conditioner unit for back here. Very nice. Lots of lights throughout the ceiling. All right, I think that does it. There's the electronic leveling system, which it's already down in level right now. Big cup holder. Let's go back outside and I will show you the engine compartment. There's not a lot to see there, but one-handed. There we go. All right. Nice and clean. As clean as should be expected for the year. So take another walk around the outside. You know, we've seen it a couple of times. Thanks for watching. If you are interested, give us a call or send an email. Our main phone number, 740-227-2300. My name is Nathan. Happy to help you out, show this to you, help you out in any way I can. It's nice, it's clean, it's obviously been well taken care of, and it's ready for some adventure. Thanks for watching, and come make this yours today. Thanks again. Bye-bye.